Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this little doorbell that was sent to us by the manufacturer. Now this thing is actually a really nice, unique little thing. Even though the manufacturer sent it to me, I have a great use to it. My daughter actually is very hard of hearing. She was born that way, has to wear hearing aids, all that fun jazz. But yeah, I'm going to give this to her. Another great thing is you can install it with the screws, and then they also do include some double-sided sticky tape, which is good because she lives in an apartment, so she can just put that on without any issues from the landlord, things like that. Obviously, this does work. I went ahead and tested it. You just push the button right here. I'm not going to do it yet because it is really, really loud. But yeah, I pushed it, and then I had this setting on one side of the house, and I walked all the way to the other side of the house and pushed this, so it definitely has range on it. If that is something that you are concerned about, that was going through, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 walls, and probably about 30 to 40 feet. So yeah, really good range on that. It also isn't going to take up your plug. You will still have a plug on here. Obviously it is a little bit bulky, so the one above it, and definitely the one below it, you still won't have access to. Here on the bottom, you're gonna have 2 USB-A ports, which is really cool. So you can, charge your phone, something like that. And then here on the side is the fun stuff. You can have your volume control, and you can also control the tone, plays different tunes for you. And like I said, whenever you push this button, it's going to play that tune. And then it also has the volume button right here. You push it and you can change that. Now that was on the absolute loudest that it goes. And then that right there is the lowest volume. You can probably barely hear it because I had the microphone on my chest and I'm talking. But then let's go ahead and I'll let you, kind of listen to some of these other tunes that it has. So right there you go. It has a whole bunch of different tunes. Unplug that so we don't have to listen to that play all the way through. But overall, I've been very, very satisfied with this product. I think it's great. As I said, if this is, something that you would like to have, maybe it be, somebody that's hard of hearing, you don't have a doorbell, period, or with that option of easy installation with just these 2 screws or double-sided sticky tape, I think it's an absolutely fantastic buy. So once again, this thing right here, nice little doorbell sent to us by the manufacturer. Go ahead and check it out.